Hi guys. Today we are working on a 2019 Ford Fusion. I will be replacing the purge valve. So the purge valve is this here. So I'm gonna start by disconnecting the connector and so this one is already off. And then there's one connector at the bottom here. Okay. All you need is a flat screw driver, flathead. So it's a little tight. Okay, it's off. And then you need a prior also, just a prior for some of these. Okay. Let's see. There's one at the bottom here. Okay. Okay. Now we just have to remove the last one, which is behind the air hose here. This one, let's see. There is a connector that I need to remove back here. You won't miss it, you'll be able to see it once you come back here. Okay. Okay, it's off. So the purge valve is off. Oh, yeah, I think it's off. Okay, there you go. There you have it. If you have any question, please leave in the comment. All you need is a flathead and a prior. If you have any question, please leave in the comment. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.